Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change Zoom background. So first of all, open Zoom. Look at my Zoom interface. Click onto new meeting. Now look at to this my background. Now I'm provide how you can change. Look at to setting icon, click on background and effect. Tap onto plus, add image, select from gallery, open, and then cross. Tap onto return on meeting, and look here, successfully changed Zoom background. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.